Hello, traders. It's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is December the 4th on a Monday, and some crazy action this morning. Friday, we got up to this level of resistance around the 460 level in the SPY, and now we are actually gapping down to the lows of Friday. We'll have to see what this means. Let's see what happens when the market opens up. But I think it's caught a lot of people off guard with this big gap down. But let's take a look at some setups here. I am seeing some setups. ARK. I've been talking about the ARK stocks, ARKK, for a while, and you can see this is kind of actually holding on. It's pretty much flat from where it opened, where it closed on Friday. So still kind of focusing on that arena. Let's take a look at some stocks. I'm in this TOST and from a decent level here, but I think you may have to watch this one. I mentioned the other day how this one has been holding its earnings low going back to early November, and now it's above its 20-period moving average. Looking for a break of that, 3-day high to maybe add to my position there in Toast. I know this is kind of a bottom fishing stock, but it's in the right sector. Another one I've been in for a while is UPWK, and it's actually holding up pretty well this morning. You can see this one after earnings been kind of going sideways, bouncing off that 20-period moving average. Look for a break of that 5-day high there in UPWK. Let's see. FRPT is one that's on the list today, and you can see there's a theme here, and we look for setups. This one after earnings going sideways, defending its 10-period moving average now. No resistance until this 73.90 level, so keep that one on the radar. Keep in mind we are gapping down, so there's plenty others out there if you have trade ideas, but that's it for today, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Keep it tight. Bye-bye.